All right, we're back out here working on the shed, and our current situation is this. It's raining, kind of on and off. It's the only day I got to work on this, so we're gonna see what we can get done today. In our last video, we showed you how we separated the shed from the concrete foundation. And what's happening is the concrete foundation is really a lot worse than I thought it would be. So what's happening is, as we're lifting the shed, it's coming apart, and I'm a little bit worried that the whole thing is going to come toppling over. What I've done is I've put a couple of 4x4s in here. I got a jack in here, and we're going to run the pipes underneath the shed to kind of get it onto this trailer. And I'm using those 4x4s as a kind of a safeguard in case the foundation crumbles completely. At least that should be able to pick up most of the weight of the shed. So I got the trailer out here set up, so we should be able to just slide this right onto the trailer. At least that's the way it looked on paper. We'll see what happens, but that's what's going on right now. So let's see how we do. Alright, we got it jacked up. We're going to put some cribbing in some of these void spaces, and then I think we're going to try to start pulling. This is definitely not kind of a shaky setup. Got it partially on the trailer. Foundation, as we suspected, pretty much disintegrated. Kind of reevaluating. All right. For evidence. Demolition. Or evidence. got it all on the, almost all on the trailer. A few hang-ups, but not too bad. The concrete foundation is actual shit, so we're glad we built this little cradle system to kind of carry the weight. I think we're on. Alright, as you can see, we've got the shed all moved. We got it mounted onto the new base. Went pretty smoothly, actually. We only lost two things. One was the drum on the winch. The drum actually broke, which then destroyed the winch. So we'll have to get a new one there, probably upgrade it to a little bit bigger one. And then we lost a tail light on the trailer over there. There's the remnants of that, but you can see it fits pretty well here. It's perfect. We'll get started with the rebuilding process, which you'll see in the next video. We'll get this all framed in, get it tight for winter. Building the subframe inside this shed, inside the concrete foundation, turned out to be a pretty good move on our part, because you can see this thing did not hold up at all during this move. So all that worrying I did, all that worrying I did was warranted. But we didn't drop it. we didn't even come close to losing the shed, which is pretty good. Pretty happy, very happy with how today went. And in the next video, we'll get started putting this thing back together and getting it ready for winter. And, so that's it for today. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. And this is how we did it. Till next time. Thanks for watching.